everyone, my name is Narissa and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a very quick 5-minute makeup routine. I know sometimes we're really pressed for time and we just want to go out but still look our absolute best. So I decided to show you a very quick routine that you can follow. So what I'm going to do first before I get started is actually set my timer so I know that I'm not going over 5 minutes because we want this to be very quick and easy and fast. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. And I will make sure I link down below all of the products that I'm using in the description box. That way, if you are interested, you know exactly what I used. But I will show you on camera as well. Now for me personally, it's essential that I put on some foundation. Next, I'm going to powder. Going to add a little shadow on my lid. Some mascara. Going to line my lips. And put on lipstick. Going to use this black Kohl eyeliner to line my waterline. And I'm going to fill in my eyebrows just a smidge. And I'm going to put on some blush. And check myself out again one more time. Make sure that I'm satisfied with my makeup look. Let's get this eyebrow one more time. And then just like that, boom, we're done with 25 seconds left to go. So I hope that you've enjoyed this very quick 5-minute makeup look. This is just something very simple that I would do in case I need to like run to the grocery store, do a couple errands, just making sure I still look really cute and nice. So that's the end of this quick 5-minute makeup routine. I hope that you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can find me on Instagram and Facebook at Narissa Explains It All. And I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye!